Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to create an amazing neon sparkling effect. So if you also want to create this, then you should watch this video. Also guys, make sure you will watch this video till the end because our final post is going to reveal at the end. Okay guys, so now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so here we are in Canva interface and we selected an Instagram post blank page. And now we are moving to element section. And here we are going to write ancient Greek warrior. Okay, as you can see here, we have so many elements related to it. But we are going to select an element from photos section. So we are going to select this image from here. Okay, now after uploading it, we are going to cover the whole page with it. Okay, after covering it, we are duplicating it and now we are going to remove its background by moving into Edit Image option. Okay, so now its background is removed. Now we are going to align it properly. Okay guys, so it's done. After this, we are moving to the text section. And from here, we are going to use this neon text. After selecting this, we are ungrouping it and now we are going to write here something. So we are replacing this 24/7 by writing here your spark. Okay, now we are going to adjust it. After this, we are going to increase its size. So we are increasing it to 400. Now we are going to apply some effects on it. So we are going to increase its intensity to maximum. Now we are going to apply some line spacing and letter spacing in it. So first of all, we are applying this letter spacing. So we are setting the letter spacing to 400. Now same we are going to do for your as well. Setting its letter spacing to 400 and now we are applying the line spacing in it. So we are applying 0.75 line spacing. And now we are going to drag it upside. Okay, so it's done. After this, we are going to tilt this open text and now here we are going to write ignite. Okay, so it's done. Now we are going to increase its size. So we are increasing it to 725. And now we are going to adjust it. Okay, after doing this, we are going to apply some magical thing here. So for that, we are moving in element section and searching for gradient that fades transparent. So we are going to select this from here and now we are going to change its color to black. Okay, after changing its color to black, we are going to tilt it vertically. And now we are going to place it at the upside. Okay, now we are going to duplicate it and going to place it side by side. Again duplicating it and putting it side by side. So we will do it until and unless the whole length is going to cover up. Okay, now we are going to group all these three together with each other. And now after grouping it, we are selecting this position option and selecting in it center. Now moving this middle one to back side and moving it to forward side from the duplication part. So now it's done. After this, we are going to move this ignite text to upside and then we are going to move it to back side. Okay, so this is also done. Now after this, we are going to select this your spark text and going to change its color to red. Okay guys, so now we are going to give it a final touch, and for that we are moving to effects section and increasing the intensity of ignite text to maximum. Actually not maximum, to 50 I guess. And now it's done. So after this we are going to download it, and after downloading, here we have our final post. So what do you think about this new neon sparking text guys? Let us know in the comment section below. We would love to read them. Also guys, if you like our video, then please hit the like button and also subscribe our channel for more such innovative ideas. And do hit the bell icon as well so that you get notified every time with new video. Okay guys, so now we will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your lovely selves and keep designing.